Okay, alerts and notifications we have. So this is also common requirement we will get in every client to write a rules for alerts and not to trigger alerts notifications based upon some conditions, some requirements. Okay. So we get a requirement for probation alert, probation completion, and also contract action, contract end. So these two are the common requirements for most of the clients. So we need to configure to trigger alerts to the managers when there is a completion of probation of employees and also contract end. Okay. Most of the clients they will ask to trigger alert to the managers before 15 days. Managers before 15 days of probation completion date. Similarly, uh, first alert it should trigger on 15 days and second alert it should trigger on before 7 days.
Okay.
About 7 days. Probation completion date. For most of a contract end, it should be 30 days before. And 15 days before.
Contract ends. Okay.
Yeah. We need to write alert message. And create alert workflow. And alert business rule. And run the job in the provisioning system. And the alerts job. Alerts job in provisioning system. These are the sequence we need to follow. But in real time, this job will be scheduled in daily basis.
Yeah. Because there are so many.
Scheduled on daily basis.
Do we need to schedule jobs in provisioning only? All the jobs?
This one we need to schedule in provisioning only. There are most of the jobs already scheduled by SuccessFactors. Only some job, alerts job and HRIS synchronization job we need to schedule in the backend. But most of the job there is no need to schedule. It will automatically run by SAP. Already will in the running status only, scheduled status only.
Okay.
First we will go with the first step, alert message. We will see first for probation end date alert. First, we need to have one date field because based on the date field only, we need to write a alert rule. If the probation end date field is not there, then we need to check if there is any date field available. The job Pay grade, regular working days, contract type is there. There is no probation end date field. Okay.
Do
Okay,
we,
we
okay,
will
so
configure.
that
We
date,
will,
hmm,
sorry,
that date has to be maintained somewhere, or we can take it from the hiring date.
it should be a requirement. We need to maintain in job information.
Okay.
Can you enable one custom field as the probationary end date to the job information? Take action. $315. Custom string. Custom string 4. I'm taking custom string 4. Okay. Probation date. In the job information section. Enabled, yes.
These informations, it does not have any database tables, or they have, like SAP.
No, there is no database tables here. Data is always in the backend.
Okay, so if we want to see like how many, or for all the employees, the start date of probation and date, like these dates, so what we should do, we need to extract some reports.
Report only.
I mean, okay, so there will be some reports here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Probation end date. Pick list. This is just a date field. Oh, sorry. This is a date field, right? So we need to select custom date 1. Okay, custom date 1. Probationary end date. Job information section is enabled. Edit. Okay. Save now. Save it. To provide I will see which role is there. System admin. System admin role, we can provide the permission to system admin. Permission
Sorry,
roles.
but I did not get this part. What we are doing here?
I'm just checking the roles assigned to this user.
Okay.
The roles assigned to this user, these are the roles assigned to this user. System admin. I am selecting the system admin role. Okay, I will provide the permissions for this role. Okay, because we have created one custom field, right? Probation and date. So we need to provide the permission for that. System admin. Select system admin. Click on permissions and it's under effective dated entities because we have created the custom field under job information. It is effective dated. Okay. Scroll down to probation. Probation end date. Here is here. This is the field. Provide permissions to this field. Done. Save changes. Now we have provided the permission to the system administrator to use the probationary end field. Okay. And now we can write a rule. Before writing a rule, I will just check if that is enabled in the job information. Yeah, probationary end date. I will just maintain this date. 15 days from now means 13, right? Today is 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. Now go to manage data. Right, first I will just take one sample message which is already written. Alert message. Yeah, I want to just this. I want to copy these placeholders. Subject user. Okay.
This field is to take the name of the employee.
Employee name. It will take the name of the employee. Subject user means it will take the employee name.
Okay.
Manage data. Alert message. Name. Probation. End date alert. Date. Alert. Active. Okay. This should be the header. You can copy the any header notification. Header can be probation end date alert notification. Description. Okay. Employee. employee subject user probation is coming to end. Coming to complete in next 15 days.
This is
Please,
a mail body.
yeah, please take time to evaluate the employee performance and take action. Take appropriate action. This is the email header and email description. Okay, you can copy the same email header and email description. Save it. Okay. Alert name. This is the external code. Status. Alert header description is probation ended alert notification. Employees probation is coming to completion in next 15 days. Please take time to evaluate the performance of the employee and take appropriate action. This is the alert message. First step is to write alert message. Next one is alert workflow. Go to manage org, pay and job structures. Create a new workflow. So this message should go to the manager of the reporting manager of the employee. Okay.
Okay.
Probation and the date alert. Probation and the date alert workflow. So there is okay 32 characters. This workflow is not for approval. This is just a notification to the manager. So there is no need to remind in days. So there no need to maintain any fields here. This is just sending a notification and there is no step one also. Approval type is also not required.
Okay.
Can maintain the role as a role. Contributor is your manager. Okay. CC role also you can maintain the contributor manager. Save it. This is not for approval, only for notification to the managers. So contributor and CC role. That's it.
Okay.
Now write a business role. Configure
We
business
wrote down the alert message. We designed the workflow. Now the
business role.
business role.
Business.
Okay.
Right. Create a new role. You can select content benefits calibration employee central core. I already had event workflows. Here, trigger rules to generate employee central alerts. This scenario you have to select for alerts.
Okay.
You can use this scenario to create rules that generate employee central alerts for HRIS elements. Okay, in manage business configuration, rules created using this scenario can be registered only for the save alert event type.
Okay, okay. Good rules to generate employees.
Yeah. Probation and the date alert 15 days. Base object is job information model. Job information model. Next, continue. Writing a rule is simple. Okay. First, we need to check if job information model probation end date. Probation end date value is not equal to previous value.
Hmm. I didn't get it. Position
The
and date.
value should,
Probation and date. Okay. Hmm.
sorry,
So it means the value
or we
will be
can,
auto-populated or they need to maintain it. For example, 6 months ka probation is everywhere. So after hiring, the date will be maintained by automatically.
they will, during hiring, they will maintain the probation end date, right? The HR administrator who is hiring the employee, they will maintain the alert, I mean, probation end date in the job information.
Okay. And the value is not equal to null.
First, like job information model, probation end date value is not equal to null. Okay.
Okay.
Next, add and condition. And probation end date previous value should not be equal to the current value. Okay. Previous value should not be equal to the current value because the alert which it triggered in the previously, it should not trigger again. That's the reason we
We are
need to
talking
provide
about which date here? The 15
huh?
and 30 days earlier. Which date we are talking about here? The value?
Probation end date only. If there is an
Okay. No, I
extension
mean.
happen,
Hmm, hmm.
there will be two values, right? If there is extension of probation, then there will be two values.
Okay.
And
No, the date I'm talking about, I'm asking about this is the date when the probation should end, or this is the date when this should trigger the alert, like 15 days earlier to the probation end date.
correct, right.
This is the date on which it should be triggered. Okay.
This is the date we are telling the system. This is the date the alert should send to the manager. The
Okay.
base date is probation end date. If the probation, yeah, next we'll understand the probation end date. Okay, is on or after today. Sorry. After is probation end date field. Where is it?
Just down that you were around this. Oh.
Probation end date value is after today. Okay, it should be after today only, because it should be in the future, because we are checking the condition 15 days, right? So it should
Hmm.
not, it should check after today, it will check 15 days. The
Means
probation
the
end date value is
probation.
equal
Mhm. Means the probation will be ended on 13, but it will trigger the notification today.
today. Can after today only. Then set alert. Alert.
Because I need one help here. Today we have maintained today
Next
because
I will explain the next condition because that will come in the next only. Then
okay,
set in the alert message. Alert message we have written as a probation end date, right? Probation.
probation.
This is the message we have written.
Yes.
This is the alert message. It should send to the manager. Next, add set workflow, alert workflow. Okay, our workflow is also you have written probation end date workflow. Okay. Next, add condition set alert when this alert should trigger. This is the condition here. Alert effective date. When this alert should trigger. Alert effective date is to be equal to. Okay. Next, go to the select the operation date plus operation. This one. Date plus. What is the base date here? We are writing the alert.
Hiring the
Base
okay,
date is probation
probation.
end date. Probation end date. Probation end date value. Okay. Number of value is not required. You can maintain 0. Number of days when this alert should trigger minus 15 days. So
Of the
enter
probation
minus 15. Minus 15. So if the probation end date is in the future 13th, it will minus 15 days. It will come today. Minus 15 means it will trigger on before 15 days of the probation end date.
Right. So one thing
That is the condition.
there in the like the first condition we have maintained as today. So today we have maintained for this scenario because we want to trigger it today, or why job
Here
information?
I am telling the condition. This is not today. It is I am telling the condition. The probation end date is after today.
Okay, okay. Wherever it is in future. Okay.
It should be in the future, not in the past. So there is no need to trigger the alerts which are in the past date, right?
Okay.
We should
Yes,
trigger alert only in the future dates. Then save this rule. So this is the rule, simple rule only. Okay.
Okay.
But we need to
But why?
provide conditions like this.
In what condition we need to write these and probation and value is not equal to null, means it should have some value there, and the previous value is equal to this. The second thing in case of extension of
This is
probation.
not equal to. This should be not equal to.
Job and probation and date previous value is not equal to
current.
probation and date. If this will be the case in the extension scenario. If there is the extension of probation, it will behave in the second condition. Hello. Hello.
I can hear you. Yes.
Oh, sorry. So I want to know the three things we have defined. One thing is there should be some value, and that value should not be equal to the probation end date.
Right.
Whatever date is maintained there, and it should be after today, any time in future.
Correct.
And then it should create the alert message triggering a workflow. Okay, and the effective date should be minus 15 days of that value. Okay.
Correct.
Got it. Yes.
So now we have created one rule. We need to assign this rule under job information in the manage business configuration.
Business.
job information. Make correction down. Okay, select job information model. And the event type is save alert. Okay. On save, on init, on view, save alert. Because we have this is alert scenario, so it should be save alert. And enter the probation alert we have written. It is enabled. That's it. Okay. Then
Can you go up? Which screen is this? Job information.
this is job
Choose the role.
information.
Okay. Means after doing all these things, we need to assign that role to
Right.
the particular portlet.
Correct.
So field we need to select. No, it is job information model. Means okay.
Yeah.
HRIS.
Yeah. Okay. Some clients may ask us to send two alerts. One is on 15 days and one is again on 7 days. Then what we need to do?
This number of days minus 22.
Yeah, you
No,
need to write the
minus
same
7.
rule. You can copy the rule. Okay. It should write a second rule.
Okay.
7 days. Okay. Copy. Total, the process is same, the logic and everything will be same. Okay. Only
Days
you
will
need
be
to, the last effective date should be -7. So that's it. First rule will trigger the rule which you have assigned here. It will trigger on 15 days. First rule. And the second rule, which you have written now, it will trigger on seventh day. Before 7 days. Seven days. Save. First rule, 15 days means if it is from today, it in 15 days means it will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is 12th day. Okay. If you maintain the probation end date as April 12, 2024, it will first rule will trigger on today. Because minus 12 mean minus 15 days from April 12th is today.
Okay.
It will trigger on today, minus 15 days. Okay. And the second rule, 7 days means it will trigger on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6th Saturday.
So it means
April
we don't
6th.
need to maintain. Once the date is maintained, it will trigger automatically.
Automatically, it will trigger. There is no need to run manually. That's the rule.
Okay. And the job scheduling?
Job scheduling we need to do in provisioning system, or I think we can also do in there is no provisioning link for this, but I will try to explain. Scheduled job manager. Okay, this is scheduled job manager means it will only provide the option to. Okay, job scheduler is also there. Job scheduler. Create a job request. Think
So we
should
can do it
provide.
from here only.
Yeah, here only.
Okay, no problem.
Great. Even I am also seeing this first time. Actually, I will schedule jobs only in provisioning system. Alerts. This one. Okay. EC alerts and notifications.
And this is job owner. What is job type?
Job type is all EC alerts and notifications. Okay.
Okay.
EC alerts and notifications. Job. Job owner. You can provide the SF who have complete authorizations. Okay. Super administrator or consult super admin. So I am providing job owner as a SF admin. Okay. Now it is. Do you want to schedule the job one time or recurring?
Hmm.
So in the production system, it should be always recurring, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. So it will be daily. Start date. You need to provide future date. Okay. Timing also you need to provide the timing from which time you need to schedule.
Okay.
Okay. Mostly it will be 12 1 a.m. Okay.
Hmm.
End date.
Whenever you want to stop it. Okay.
Yeah, you can provide in some future dates.
Hmm.
20, 29, 33, some dates. Okay. Okay. This is for recipients. If you want to send any email to any person, okay, you can enter that email ID here. I am entering my Gmail ID. Okay. So it will send an email when job starts and when job fails also. Daily. Okay. This is the process. First job name. Job type is EC alerts and notifications. Job owner is a SF admin, a super administrator.
So in Employee Central, there is no other job types. I mean, ideally it should be EC alert and notification.
Yeah,
Or what all option we have?
there are different options are there, but different modules.
Okay. Means any kind of alert notification will go under this job type.
This job only.
EC.
Yeah. This is the process to schedule a job. Recurring job schedule. But if you want to run the job only for one time, okay, then you have to specify a date today. Okay,
Okay.
and select one time today. Now it's 7 p.m. 7:30 p.m. or something. 7:12 or 7. Okay, sorry. some 7 p.m. Okay, and submit. Okay, once the job is submitted, it will show here. Job scheduler.
Okay.
Okay, under actions, you can come and click on run it now.
Okay.
No alerts will trigger now because we have maintained the incorrect data. Okay, I will just to change the data of that Nandini. It should be today, 12th April. Why is so slow? So the alert will trigger to the manager of this Nandini Venkatesh. The manager of Nandini is the Sanjeev Kumar, right? So we need to maintain the email ID to the Sanjeev Kumar. Yeah. Contact information. Maintain business email ID. Okay, I will maintain my email ID. Okay. Today it should be primary is yes, business email ID save. Now run the job again. For the job monitor. It's completed. Job is completed. Okay. Successfully completed. I think this is the last first job we have created first time, right? Mail delivery successful.
Okay. Do we need to set up somewhere like it should go out of this network or to the Gmail or somewhere? Do we need to do some settings or it's okay?
Sorry.
Means do we need to do some setup to trigger these email on these notification to the personal email or somewhere? or it is automatically there by
automatically it will come up. Okay. So here I got an email. Okay.
Hmm.
Sanjana Singh. No. See, I got an email. Probationary ended alert notification.
Okay.
Employee Nandini Venkatesh probation is coming to completion in next 15 days. So please take time to evaluate the performance and take appropriate action.
Oh.
So it's in 15 days, right? From today it is 12th,
Okay.
12th April.
It is today is the 13th.
Next alert it will trigger on 6th April, 7 days.
Hmm. Okay.
So this is the process to write alerts and notifications based upon some conditions. Now you can practice for contract end date. You create one custom
Okay.
field,
Hmm.
custom field in manage business configuration under job information
Job information. Okay.
and write a
Hmm.
business like 30 days or 15 days
Okay.
and schedule a job in the job schedule manager. Schedule a job manager.
Okay. Yes, I agree.
This is the common requirements every clients will have. Some clients will have multiple alerts for based on multiple countries. Okay. So this is a common requirement and every interviews they will ask this. What is the process to write alerts?
Okay. All right.
Yeah. If you have any questions, then we can see discuss tomorrow.
Hmm. Okay. Just that part is remaining means the portrait thing,
The
and I also
import employee data and the portlet one.
yes, and one that HRIS element and
Yeah, data
do we
alerts
have?
contribution,
Hmm?
HRAS synchronization.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If you have any
And
questions
I
also, we
will.
can discuss.
No questions as of now. I just did that thing, insurance wala part.
Okay.
Then the major part I was stuck there. The other field, like location, it was coming automatically. So that part you already told me. We need to
Yeah.
copy the standard name and copy it there, paste it there. So I got it, that part. Whatever I have done, I'm clear to that thing. Whatever
Okay.
I have practiced. Yeah. Or yeah, from starting one hiding we also can see by maintaining all the things. It means ultimately I need to try that. I'll do it.
Yeah. Okay. Tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow. Yes.
Yeah.
So tomorrow that the remaining part of the portlet and
See that import employee data, the process.
import employee. That is the synchronization part.
No, that is not synchronization, it is data migration. Import employee data means the data migration. Data migration from legacy system to the success factors.
Okay. And that HRIMS,
Yeah. That are
HRIS
also
elements.
HRAS elements.
Hmm. And the workbook part is still done, not done. Means just need to know how do we fill that
Okay.
or what information should be captured in first meeting or something like that.
Okay. Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
And if I find anything which I should know, I need to ask you, I will let you know.
Okay. Fine.